Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep AI, Reinforcement Learning. Imagine you're playing a game where your actions determine the outcome. Reinforcement learning helps a computer learn to make decisions by rewarding good choices and punishing bad ones. The core idea is an agent learns through trial and error, receiving feedback, rewards, or penalties to guide its actions. There are two main types: supervised and unsupervised. Supervised involves labeled data for training, while unsupervised uses only unlabeled examples. These models describe the environment an agent interacts with, including states, actions, rewards, and transitions. A simple algorithm that uses a Q table to learn optimal policies by predicting future rewards based on current state action pairs. Using neural networks to approximate the Q function, DRL allows agents to learn complex decision-making strategies. From game playing and robotics to autonomous vehicles and recommendation systems, reinforcement learning has many practical applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.